Hey there, my beloveds. This is Amy here from Beloved Plans. Welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you all here with me today. Today, I'm going to be doing my horizontal classic planner for the last week of July. It's the 27th through August 2nd. So we are going on a little family vacation with my sister and her family this week. So I decided to use the Summer Fun sticker book for the majority of this spread because they have really cute camping and different vacation and activity stickers in there. So I did lay them out on my sticker guides. It's not any way how I'm gonna actually put them down, but when I'm doing a certain theme and I'm gonna pull from multiple sticker books, I like to use these to just kind of gather the stickers. So when I sit down to actually make my spread, it goes much more quickly and I'm flipping through fewer books. So I'm gonna use those. Then I also got this seasonal mega value sticker book and I'm excited to try this one out. This is like, winter, spring, summer, fall, and then it also has like Valentine's, St. Patrick's Day, just some really, really cute different vacation stickers for all year round. So if you guys haven't checked this one out yet, I believe I got it at Joann's. It is adorable and I really think I'm going to get a lot of use of this throughout the year. I did also pull out my handwritten plans sticker book I recently got. This is great for if I want to just have a really simple title on something. So I might use a few from there. Then I also pulled out my essential planning one just because there are good checklists and some good out of town and just general planning stickers in here. I don't know if I'll use any from here, but I have it out. So go ahead and get comfortable and we will get started. So I wanted to take this new sticker book I have and flip through it and see if there's any other stickers that jump out at me. Love this Sandy Toes one. Put that in my little stash to be used. Just do a quick flip through to just see if there's any other summer vacation type stickers that I want to use. So now we'll start building the spread. So I love this summer camp one, and the place we're gonna stay is normally a kids summer camp, but with COVID, they have opened it up for families to rent out the cabins since they can't have their usual summer camps. So I thought that one is perfect to summarize where we're at. And we're gonna be on one of the beautiful lakes that are up in this area of Minnesota. So we'll be on the beach a lot. And then I thought I'll use this big plan sticker to just write some of the things we're hoping to do. Thursday, my son and I are gonna go golfing, and then we're just hoping to do some other beach stuff and swim and hang out and kayak. Love that little sand castle. It goes perfectly down there by the beach quote. So I'm going to use this washi that's in the sticker book to block out the days that we're gone. I like having a visual reference of all the days that we're out of town. I'm going to trim that down. There we go. Now I am going to start laying down some boxes here. So typically I will work my spread, top to bottom, left to right. So I'll start Monday and then go through Sunday. So this is kind of like a bucket list type of stickers here. Go on a nature walk, watch the sunset. A couple other things here. I thought those might be fun to list off there, and if we do it, I can put little notes by it or check it off too. I have a lot of rectangular stickers going here, so I'm not sure. I think I'm going to trim this one down to be more of a square since they don't fit perfectly in the horizontal boxes. This way it won't overlap so much and just be so heavy. I think this beach ball will look pretty cute down there on the bottom too. And of course we need to add a sunshine over here on Tuesday. And I love these adorable sketched out little suitcases too. They all tie together so well. I have this floaty. Yeah, I think I'll put that on Saturday. That is nice there. And our little road trip cluster there with the map. It is a family summer camp, so I think I'll add that there. Oh yeah, I like this little sun over here by the sun-kissed part. I feel like Sunday needs some things, so I'm gonna add a box there because we will be back that day, so I do have a couple things going on. I'm gonna make a little checklist over here on Wednesday. Of course, there'll be lots of things to do before we head out of town. And then these hand-lettered planning words, I love all of these. So I'm gonna use the packing list one over here on the bottom so I can make my little packing list. And then the to on Wednesday and the from on Saturday, and I'll write in our destinations for each of those. Oh yeah, the happy camping sticker will be super cute right there. I do feel like there's a lot of stickers on the right side, so I'm going to add a to-do list over here up on Monday just to kind of balance out everything there. And then my packing list stickers to check off things. Do another checklist on Sunday. These yellow ones look like little sunshines. They're so cute. And I'm gonna add this box to Tuesday too, and then I think that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching my Plan With Me video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet a subscriber, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And I'd love to see you over on my Patreon. Talk to you soon.